Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 107, where something is not quite right today. The blue skies have disappeared, the sun has gone, there's a blanket of cloud, and it's actually quite cold. What has happened to spring? Anyway, we shall see what we can do on a Saturday. If you haven't already, I would thoroughly recommend that you watch Courchevel seasoners trying tequila, if only to see all what I would describe as a whiskey face. You know what I mean? All very amusing. Anyway, and yes, before you point out, I am wearing exactly the same clothes as I wore yesterday. Hey, it's a Saturday. Sue me. So, in an attempt to stave off impending boredom because of the weather, and in an attempt to be slightly productive, I've decided on an expedition to find a faraway village named Maribel. I think that's how it's pronounced. I hear the path that links the great towns of Courchevel to this Maribel is a sketchy and treacherous goat path that is near impassable. But we shall attempt to forge the chasm that is Latania.
20 minutes later.
Well, we have survived, if only by the skin of our teeth, evading the hordes of transfer vans that roamed the grounds over the weekend. And we are here in rainy Maribel.
Eventually.
No sooner as we've arrived is it time to leave this ungodly place and head back to the shiny lights of the Russian-infested Courchevel. Spasiba? To sum up the weather today in one word: depressing. A depressing start to the end of the season. When there's precipitation and it's cold, it's good. You get snow. Precipitation plus warm equals rain. And that's not good. It's depressing. And also, it's terrible for the snow. So I hope for March and April that this is not a common thing. But I know at least for the next week there is a big possibility that we are going to see a lot more of this type of weather, which is not a good thing. But we live in hope, and we shall have to see. So on that depressing note, I bid you a good evening, and I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.